In the city of Groenlo, in the east of Holland, HFI manufactures and supplies high-precision components for national and international customers for numerous applications within a wide variety of industries. Adaptation and continuous improvement are crucial to become and stay a reliable partner for our customers. At HFI, we take pride in being essential. With our large CNC turning and milling machine park, we quickly realize superior quality by a combination of precision, excellence, and efficiency. To maintain manufacturing at a consistent high level, our operation is based on three core values: quality, delivery reliability, and working on customer-focused solutions. Efficiency is the result of understanding our clients, the purpose behind their specific needs, and the effective application of available tools and resources. Being essential requires commitment that we entrust only to highly skilled and dedicated professionals working at our state-of-the-art facility. HFI combines craftsmanship with innovation, and together with understanding our customers and adapting to their needs, we optimize our production processes. We are Team HFI, precision partners, continuously refining, constantly adapting. We are HFI. We turn complexity into reliability.